Welcome to the installation guide for the double disc solar panel cleaning brush. Step 1. Install the brush head and telescopic rod. First, connect the water hose connector while pressing the locking collar. Then align the slot and connect the electrical plug. After connecting the water and power lines, make sure the water hose is slightly shorter than the electrical cable, if necessary. Trim the hose to prevent the wiring harness from pulling the connector loose. Next, align the locating protrusion on the connector with the slot on the telescopic rod. Finally, tighten the locking handle securely. Step 2. Connect the wiring harness and power supply. Please note the adapter has cooling vents and is non-waterproof. Keep it dry in use. The power adapter features a 110 volts and 220 volts voltage selector switch. Before use, make sure the selected voltage matches your local power supply. Align the plug with the slot and tighten the connector securely. Then connect the wiring harness. Step 3. Connect the water supply system. Connect the water hose. Connect the pump. Then connect the pump power cable. Warning: never power on the pump unless it is submerged in water. Step 4. Install the brush discs. Using the supplied tool, insert it into the motor ventilation hole to lock the motor and prevent it from rotating. Align the mark on the brush disc with the mark on the brush head. Rotate the brush disc in the direction opposite to the arrow. Thread it on approximately 1 to 2 turns until it is firmly seated. Now connect the power supply. When the indicator light turns on, the machine is powered on. Switch on the device, the brush discs will begin rotating and automatically tighten themselves during operation.